Kwanya no can about development or safe President Mahama in his first term as president and no planning, as we and no correct.
Kwaya interviews no. Make catch of the say if you come as na me konkaya. Na am say as I had in terms of roads infrastructure any ekona ye bi any amana
Ebusion for aha Ghana Sam TVGH mesra like comment subscribe turning on notifications so that anytime video bit say way ye di 2 months sambeke bi. Ebusion for ade pa kwa ha MPP pa ebra echo election 2024 any say communication nine and sheda ye act effective sir. Na utimi say Akufo-Addo ni ba omi aban no omo ye niema bebre ade bebre mpuntu odwuma bebre people did not even know about it. So bit ya Greater Accra region now we idea bi o Kalewo e o far north nipa no ye den ho ebra ho beka enti asade na ha MPP pa na ebra MPP san call opposition nso no ade ba kwa still ha MPP e communication na emi de pass mpenifo wo MPP ni mu no o matina se ehun se da bi ade we ha adwen so mo ja no say before MPP beba power bill no beche enti or say they are listening into programs and they are coming in time and providing timely rebuttals. Very important. Anything. Ekwan bi a wo Kumasi. Apparently no. Ekwan no a brainchild of Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo person ye no double way. Na Akufo-Addo aban no omaye bibia except for funding omu putting in request for funding no but na funding nyamba ye na ye ko election no afa King ZUBA current mayor of Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly no they say they objective adena as a achievement of NDC government won say obi ye juma government continuum enti say wo be hia ade bi project bi obi ye no say politicians no omuye humble enough say they will give credit to whom credit is due. Say I didn't say you will predecessor an a year. There is no that you lose nothing by saying say oh wait there me predecessor an a year but oh yeah bedu pepper so we and I miss be fire and I mean say but say we be nyina to say oh wu na aba na obe afresh in there hard drink and offer angel for na okika nsense say mama ebra okọ Japan na okọ secure funding for sa chrome for sa kwan na dualization na person ye wo Kumasi chrome honum enti owie ye na the former mayor of Kumasi ya uncle Sam Pyne and so frɛ program no mu and o say there bi o person o clarify na mabako mienu bi na sa kwan na King ZUBA say mama na ekọ Japan na ekọ secure sika no enye no kre onu Sam Pyne any under Akufo-Addo government and omuye drawings no and omuye evacuation order ni bibia funding no nipa maska no nyina no request nyina no onu Sam Pyne bra na oye Kumasi mayor and na oye ebusanfo nukra ni say MPP for ombe responded to propaganda in such a timely manner. Me are very much sure say never be brain no I beg receive clarification before Ghanaians. So Ghanaians should know, for Ghanaians to know, say MPP no, yes, say 8 years mutina by mono, be wasting for time and all those things. A very good thing initiative. I mean, say Sam Pyne, yeah, and more people should learn. For all past ministers and Akufo-Addo's government. And some year every time more standby. Obi. John Mahama administration quickly you call in, quickly you release something to counter it so that politics never hear there. It was about the video is happening. So I will see you in the next one.
We pay a ye to and one among say and also Babaku. It's a one as a project no about we be two and one and among be amano aquarium and Jay and Ghana man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or Japan. Any Japan aban no kodi nkita ho ntina de sede ba kwa wode ko ho Kumasi enkanko ene ne mpuntu na me ya me bedi meyo medi kan ekoye interviews no me catch of the say me fi Kumasi na me ko nkan na me say as had in terms of roads infrastructure any ekona ye bi ani amana be more than as ya kete kaka ete ho benya sɛ yɛde saa anamonto no emeka kaka ebebem di mampanya na monto no bibi papa bi afi maba ama Japan aban true jaika o ma yesika ama yetimi edi asiesie yekwe enti ye baba ye ekwan abem ama na edu carriage fefe pa ebe fa senkwa bia wo Kumasi ebeboa ama ye ho atepa ma ho nso edi mu ama na be model ofa ho ngofo sisi adan kama ewo kwan no
I wanna share sa video no wa ha say before and after said the TSC you know and they said ye wi a said the besi ayeti obetimi adwane o Facebook Angel FM Kumasi 96.1 na ba bia honorable ZUBA ka ho asem no so wadi ho adanse before and after okay
and this ufri patasi na woko so santas when about that o tra ba bia papa fire na so any one na so de ko go e no omo ton cars wo bonkum ni nifa ansa no do run about no so ene wutwem dia ko taxi station bia opposite the vehicles any fitafo bia wo we kire any squatters bia wo mu nyina ye wo mu nyina afri ho afi omo ton car wo kwan no a ekoka ahojo run about omo so ye wo mu nyina afri ho na ye ne kapo no edi nkita ho ene ne fitafo no so edi nkita ho na ye so mo be bosimi a ye be wemi ekonomi dia obi anfio na preparatory work also yes say eye no yetimi asha say aye na ye decide medina Kumasi fo.
All right, enti eno ehon kra na nka me ba ne say to da bia ye kwan say ya de aya na ye challenge pa ye o me ya o say enkomo aye di wo eho bibi kanti wa join e online so honorable te enka e mo ache
ejo so obi bia
na empomboko de
na me na dum pa bibi abokora mo so
nyame adomboni bia enia o se enkomo aye di ye ne mayor edi o bibi eka ewo ho wadaroma mayenti o
me da say ma me chia wo no atifo no bibia ohu amamuo ene politics aye no eto da bia ye mfa no kre enka na ye nya propaganda e de ka bibia akwanya no ka ho asem about development or safe President Mahama in his first term as president and no planning no asem we enye no kre minia kwame ubekaya me no be ye interview Pure FM ema me bo akwanya na MPP aban a planning aye beye am mention say mo hompu no that building no ebia ehun ebeka so muka so mu ye kwana because the near baby if he line interchange eba fantastic roundabout they be dualize it na ya fantastic roundabout to the arc building also dualization and not your war interchange was fantastic roundabout initial plan no now there should be an interchange also an overpass war ahojo roundabout for mu change drawings eba ahojo roundabout problem ya be no intersection I want the street traffic lights and a back control a honum Jumano now Senke started last 2 years. Come on about what we do contract and no more year Santa's runabout about the runabout quine. Sam that's on the Santa's runabout 2 so line. Let us say your issue say obia near my temporary buildings no any from near my free one crown and who yen some kakra say ubek fra yen can fiscal planning officer
I store or more at tete kwan one near the nyina
omo e be free ho project no a delay o friend engineer Gambran mo be catch road reason by delay one mo yen say enam say yes the quite runabout kwan that was more better tackle Santas runabout to truthful line. So because of more yes Santas runabout to Ahoju traffic a feeder section, a feed Cape Coast, Takrade, Western region, Central region, Enya baby fa. It's the only thing they can do. So be completely sometimes roundabout echo the roundabout. Into Omuya and no bit number traffic flow on normal tackle a one way. Jaka funding no. A home cartel, including project affected persons, engagement in me consultants as for your side BBR. A crime nipa no bear surgery age shop. And no, as part of it, and no rehabilitative baby, unity oil, a one more, a quadacodum, also home up my one stretch. It's a dualization. It's in the and a Jomahama Kojisika, so the Bayasa project. No, a Jaka funding is there. I think last year, August, and a almost started project. No, now because of technicalities, be our friend, urban roads engineers on Becca. And no enema project the delay. In the area politician, Biancasia depending on a dear no crimpono, never can see any.
So I say, and yet a nay, and Jaika for G2 Muso or Mobayes are quite we see.
Debbie. I have copies of the letters. Unfortunately, I'm not in Kumasi.
A deity is saying, Daben started na funding no net is saying, na funding no I read.
Funding no Jaika funded project in Japan for no 2 years ago. It's a whole and I make a sure one more.
2 years ago, 2023, more 7 are working.
2022-23, 1 7 are making. It's in preparation, no dear. Also, a project, I'm sorry, at once, just like that. Will never be brave, environmental impact, and that's what but the copies of those letters and engagement, baby, share my office, the pictures that we took. I have copies of everything. It is not true.
No, what that more secure.
Mr. MPP are buying a courier arrangement in England. It is not true. So being a net or quacoye. Send no more releases can say, young concourse starting a bit. Engineers right say we started their fine, but so the castle won't walk away who be beer so could pay scan up and there. It is not true.
Because you know near Honorable ZUBA bon Kumasi, I was a man penny called Japan anu ye, you know. And now what to me aqua strike is a deal here. Yeah, found the
so other project be obey and not who's candy I'm not privy to it. But this particular road project I make any day, it is not true. Jack upon the funding consultants a project impact assessment, everything, drawings, everything. Mr. Fred, Engineer Gambra, Nebisano. Fred Nana Tapuku, Ajiman, Nebisano.
Okay. All right. Honorable,
here, when President Mahama told us that he has secured $10 billion for Hope City, he said that he has secured the money and the money was ready to start Hope City. As we speak, there's no hope for any city anywhere. So that $10 billion President Mahama, secured. Couldn't it have also fixed the hospitals we are referring to? Buy those beds we are referring to, because his administration was before Akufo-Addo's administration. At least if he had built those hospitals and done all that he has to do, Akufo-Addo would have brought in the syringes to come and complement it. Under Akufo-Addo, under President Mahama, there was no COVID. He couldn't pay nurses and teacher training allowances. Under President Mahama, there was no COVID. He couldn't pay teachers. They worked 3 years, he paid them 3 months. There was no COVID. Agriculture was doing negative percentage. They performed negative in agriculture. There was no COVID during his time. So what are you trying to say? In Akufo-Addo's COVID era, Ghanaians were not refugees elsewhere. He was there talking about other countries. What is happening under his own nose, under his own roof? He has not even been able to comment on it to solve the situation in his own roof. He's talking about war in somebody's country, and we are applauding him. What about what is going on under his own roof? What happens to the people who have flew to Cote d'Ivoire? What happens to them? The war in other places, what has happened to that one too? That we should go and give him applause because he's talking about somebody's What about the one in the Goja land?
Okay, thank you. Right, Nanamiki, please come in 1 minute.
Oh.
Ghana, want to hold on. Nanamiki, let's have you 1 minute.
Okay, I'll use my 1 minute to ask a sensitive question for Ganaba to answer for me. I lost a brother through a kidney disease, which he had as a result of he working at Eastern region, somewhere Eastern region. So, and I believe it's as a result of this galamsey that's resulted to that. And so, Ganaba, please, what do you think this government should do differently in curbing these manners, these galamsey manners? Because,
All right. Thank you. All right, massive shout outs to Jay will not fail. Thank you for joining in, and this is Facts on Facts. All right, so Ghana Bantu, please, you have just 2 minutes. I beg, 2 minutes. Are you ready?
On my camera, that's why. This is a Ghana Fact, mimicking from Fact on Fact. And then Ghana Fact did a good job by showing the media report around those times. This is Joy 99 FM official Twitter page, CD 17.20, pound, euro 22 and 18.5 respectively. 3 news. CD remains volatile amid election uncertainty, trading at 17.2 to $1. Note that these are the forex rates, and these largely commercial rates. And then we have Bank of Ghana, because he said the CD was never trading at 17 or even 16. Now let's go to the Bank of Ghana data that they shared. This is at 16.4. Why would you say it never traded at 16? You get it. So please don't mock Ghanaians and what we went through under your government. We're in an era where things remain, cast in time. You can always dig up data. These were what the media was reporting. These were the rates. Bank of Ghana was clearly above 16. Forex rates were 17.2. It wasn't even 17. It was more than that. And then that said, on the issue of galamsey, just before I come in there, we said somebody can come on this platform after appealing to the public to read and say Mahama claimed he has gotten $10 billion. RLG is a private company. They were building a Hope City. It is not a government project. And Mahama was invited, just like every president is invited. Everybody should go to Google right now. Google Hope City. It was Roland Agambire. Mahama never said he got 10 billion. Why do we do this to ourselves? We're like Baumia, who said he got 19 billion Chinese jackpot. No. You are confusing what Baumia said with Hope City issue. Gradually, you are creating another story which is false, to paint a false narrative in the mind of people. Roland Agambire is a private citizen. RLG was a private business. They had their project and invited Mahama. And this report is even still available online. It didn't happen during the time of Jesus. It happened when we were all internet savvy. Why do we do this to ourselves? And then on the galamsey issue, my brother, let me just show you, and I would encourage everybody to go to Erastus Asaridonko's wall. He has been the most consistent journalist on this issue. These are the tax forces. They are arresting people, seizing their guns. This is the report from, EPA. The NDC has invested a lot of money with the EPA, with the support from UK government. We've done a 6-month report on all our river bodies to understand the lead levels, the mercury levels. This is the report. Mercury and lead levels. And this is the NDC government. And you can go and read the report on what's his name? Erastus Asaridonko's website. I wish I can show more. My network is messing up. You see a long list of activities that is going on. The NDC saw a huge city. It was reported by a journalist. A whole city in the forest where Galamsey was happening. We went there to destroy it. We've lost 2 of our ministers in the fight against this Galamsey. It's a serious problem, yes. But we've shown far more commitment to fighting the Galamsey. We are repealing the act that the NPP recklessly signed to allow mining in forest reserves. The processes have been.
Wow. Your time is up, please. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much for joining in. And this is Fact on Fact. Yes, now let me acknowledge my amazing gifters. Jay will not fail with the money gun. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. And Mr. Freeman will have you. Thank you so much and God bless you. Okay. Kwabnebo wants to share his screen with us. You see, you should have extended your time. Oh, Majid. I'll give you extra time. Thank you. Keep on keeping on. Thank you so much. All right.